And today we're going to be checking out this 30-foot water slide. Not only do you get a 30-foot water slide, you get 2 body boards. It's double lane, has sprinklers all the way down the center, and it even has a little kiddie shark pool at the very end. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, my kids are ready to give it a good test. I'm going to show it to you real fast. You do get 6 stakes, 2 on this end, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the pool end down there to hold the slide down while you're sliding. It does have the center sprinkler all the way down that puts water onto both lanes. So you can race and compete and just have 2 people go at once if you want. It's got the little shark kiddie pool right here on the end. It's also staked down. That's the only thing that you have to inflate on this is the bodyboard and the shark pool. So not very much, doesn't take too long. It's quick, easy setup, and it's going to be a lot of fun. You guys ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
Who can make it all the way down?
I'm going. Go!
Oh.
Yay! Oh. Here, Cole. No. Lay down. Ready? I win. Go.
Wow. Who can? I bet Tanner can make it all the way down. There you go, Lizzie. Wow. That was a great one, huh? All right, let Tata try it. Let Tanner and Carter go. All right, go. The most mass wins. Wow. So as you can see, it's a super fun water slide. It's going to keep you nice and cool this summer. Give your kids something to do in the afternoons or the weekends or just during the day. If you want to make it more fun, just add a little baby oil or something to it. And you'll probably shoot all the way off the end down there, but really cool little water slide, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.